Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special beef potato roast recipe. Very simple and tasty beef recipe. It's very delicious when served along with rotti, chapathi, rice, appam or porotto. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon fennel seeds. Add 4 chopped garlics, half inch size chopped ginger, 1 green chillie slits. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for a minute. Now add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt, mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Saute it until the onion turns to light golden brown color. When the onion turns to light golden brown color, keep it low flame. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 chopped tomato, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 potato cut into medium pieces. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Now add 250 grams of pressure cooked beef. I have pressure cooked beef with half teaspoon salt. Also add 2 tablespoon curd to it. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. After 1 minute, add half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Special beef potato roast is ready. Very simple and tasty beef recipe. It's very delicious when served along with rice, roti, appam, porotto or chapathi.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.